Hello, I'm Kate and I'm going to show you how to join the Cockermouth Chamber of Trade and also how to list your business on Visit Cockermouth at visitcockermouthonline.co.uk. So first we need to visit the website cockermouthonline.co.uk. Once you're there, scroll to the bottom of the screen and find the Add Your Business link. Once we click that, we're taken to the business listing form. Now, you must be a member of the Cockermouth Chamber of Trade to add your business. You can do this by clicking the Join Here link on this page, which takes us to the Chamber of Trade membership screen. There's two membership levels. The Silver membership for sole traders with no employees at £30 yearly, and the Gold membership for businesses with 1 to 99 employees at £50 yearly. Choose the membership that is right for you and click Join Now. The next screen shows some information regarding the membership that you've chosen. From here, we simply click Join Now. The next screen is the cart screen where you can see your membership, the price, the quantity, the total, and also a button that says Proceed to Checkout, which we're going to click. And that brings us through to the billing details, which include your name, business name, address, phone number, and email address. This screen also collects the billing details. I'll go ahead and fill out my details in here. Once I've done that and popped in my credit card details, I'll press Join Now and I'll come back to you with the instructions from there. So with all the details filled in, we've pressed Join Now and proceeded through checkout, paid for our membership, and we're at the thank you page. If you scroll down, you'll see the details of your payment and your order, the details of your subscription, which is your membership, your billing details. Once you get to the bottom of the page, you can again select Add Your Business, and this links to the Add Your Business form. Now, we go through and we fill this out with the details. We'll go through the process. And we'll pop our phone number in there after the address. Now, you'll want to add a headline, which is a maximum of 100 characters. This is a summary of what your business is about. In a short description, a maximum of 40 words. So a brief description of your business that's a little bit more than the headline. And then you can add a long description which describes a bit more of what your business is about. You'll want to add your email address, your website, which is the full URL, and then your social media links, which are also the full URL. You can visit your social media pages or accounts and copy and paste the URL straight from the address bar up the top of the page. And once you've filled out any of the relevant social media links, you can come down to adding an image. Featured image is what's going to be shown first. And then the gallery images You can add more than one. And next you submit your membership application. Your application will be reviewed and verified before it's approved.
Once you have submitted your application for your business listing, it will be reviewed and then approved before your listing appears on the website. You'll receive 2 emails, one with your receipt for your membership of the Chamber of Trade and the other with your login details to log into your account on Visit Cockermouth at any time. You can log into your account by navigating to the bottom of any page on the website and clicking Account Login. To view your listing, you use a navigation menu at the top of the page and find the category that your business falls under. In this case, we've listed a business under co-working offices, so we'll click that. And we can view our listing summary on the business listing page by clicking More Information. This takes you to your full business listing. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Cockermouth and Districts Chamber of Trade.